Buckwild, what up? Hand me my flowers. You know, we've been working really hard. We just dropped Lucky 13. And now we on Hand Me My Flowers. I just want my motherfucking recognition. Hey, major shout out to the people that's supporting me. Major shout out to my bro that's recording me. Big Fresh, what up, Lord? Thank you. And if you buying CDs, vinyls and t-shirts and even hoodies, I wanna thank you. For real though, I just wanna thank you. And to my motivation, my daughters Madison in heaven, know that daddy got y'all forever. I do this for y'all. And before I start drumming, I wanna say RIP to all the fallen soldiers. And most of all, fuck COVID. 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 I'm feeling like the plug, you better cállate la boca. I put 50 O's on the scale. Lord, I be weighing them right. Remix the work just a little. So 28 in the night. Too much coke, I'ma need the triple beam. We succeeded with the dream, now they need us on the scene. Chopper roll, big and back, feet up looking clean. Down with me sipping, I'ma skeet it up her spleen. I'm talking dirty, nigga, look at this drip. I treat the kitchen like a gym, I be flipping them kids. Flights to the A, building with the builders. Out in LA, grinding for some millions. I'm in a different lane, patterns ain't the same. Whoa, I was in the game, now I rap for my change. Whoa, penny for your thoughts. My little niggas hit you with the semi from the porch. RP the dead, blowing 50s for your loss. We gon' break you off. Cash in hand, soon them grizzlies come across. Sharks in the pool, gators in the shallow water. Hit him with a few. He ain't know we had it on us. Laser in the Fendi bag, Major spending plenty cash. Yeah, I'm peace and loving, but you play us in that semi-blast. You can't put nothing past me. All my niggas knuckle ashy. Get killed if you steal, might as well come and ask me. Bum ass nigga, yup. You get killed if you steal, might as well come and ask me. Nigga, I'm like Beethoven with the stick, nigga. Lord, Lord. Motion picture shit, I be smoking with your bitch. Talking about the streets, how much closer can it get? I'm on the corner like a stop sign, and I pop mine. Going off a bar with Flea Lord, nigga stop line. I'm in my own weight class, don't chase ass. Hungry and I got it, and I donate cash. I got the fifth in the cushion that'll lift niggas looking. Plus a biscuit in the pantry, and it's mixed with the pudding. B12 for the travel, females wanna sample. Crush shit like a seashell on the gravel. Man, these niggas lied and said it's lonely at the top. If you saw me in the drop, I had a chromie in my crotch. Instead of Cold War, Brody sold me half a block. Combine our clips together, now we going at the cops. They calling us the Lord Maul. My cats leave your door raw. Pulling up in 12 shooters, jumping out of 4 saws, nigga. Yeah, I said I'm pulling up in 12 shooters, jumping out of 4 saws. Let's go to you. Talk your shit, whoa.
Okay. I'm Beethoven with the stick. Swing this motherfucker round and round. Heavyweight, I go pound for pound. Broad day, any day, I go round for round. School of hard, not graduate. No cap, no gown. Now listen up. How I'm living ain't by luck. Yeah, I got it out the mud and that's on bunk. Trust me, if I did it off the strength, that mean it's love. Everything's scandalous, legendary loyalty. Fully loaded 40 piece, slime with a Mona Lisa. Yeah, I'm talking literally. She's sitting on a quarter key. It's facts to what my story speak. Nigga, I'm official. Bulletproof wallet, so getting money ain't no issue. Got stress in every issue. P85, P89, P90, come try and find me. I ain't tripping if them niggas don't sign me. I got shit on consignment with a new number. Tell them niggas to find me. Kill it.
flowers. Yeah. Woo. Lord. Started off with free lunch, now we get the peace done. You was quiet in the trenches, nigga wouldn't sneeze once. Creeping with the rubber grip, speaking on some other shit. My belly full, we just eating for the fuck of it. Sliding like a Van Door, riding while your mans walk, mad raw. Hit you with behind the back and hand off. Went from pissy mattress flipping, now we whipping out the kitchen. Lord, I bought a blicky, my nigga, I was different. Now I push the X6, man, I never stress shit. Set trip, we gon' leave your body by the exit. Sipping apple juice and rum, smoking master cushion once. Got the button in my hand, I only have to push it once. Bar lords, hardcore, we be in the yard more. If you ain't gon' spit it, what the fuck you bring the raw for? Moving weight, fool you see through like a sewer gate. Doing dates all over the road, I could be doing 8. Huh? Yeah, I said we doing dates. Bro, I could be doing 8. I does it for the public and the bros on the strip. The bros on the strip. Huh? I said my waist is 42 when it's a 10 on my hip. When it's a 10 on my hip. If my pride getting swallowed, then your ride getting hollow. Catch the 10 from this clip. If my pride getting swallowed, then your ride getting hollow. Catch the 10 from this clip. Back in the session, big blacksmith and Wesson. Better hold on with your life to this cash when you catch it. Play under the sun, work under the moon. Gloves under my thumbs, dirt under the broom. Cup of white Henny in the cup with my semi. When the slabs get on the counter, I'm the butcher like Benny. Wicked with the wordplay, twisting up my third string. Got it on the weekend, I can finish it by Thursday. Lord music, you can walk to it. Boy, don't make me pull up snapping in that 4-door Buick. Shots flying everywhere, cops dying every year. Quarter stick of dynamite, drying out in the air. 6K for a verse, but I do it for 5.9. In the studio with the goons, with food and fine wine. Choppers pre-roll while the mobsters meet hoes. If police catch you sweet, better keep your teeth closed. I be partying with traffickers, authorities be after us. Step aside the booth, dude, it's a massacre. Top dog status, nigga, pop off at us. Man, I got so much blow, even cops want packages, huh? This shit like the old days, man. Man, I got so much, even cops want packages. I does it for the public and the bros on the strip. The bros on the strip. I said my waist is 42 when it's a 10 on my hip. When it's a 10 on my hip. If my pride getting swallowed, then your ride getting hollow. Catch 10 from this clip. If my pride getting swallowed, then your ride getting hollow. Catch 10 from this clip. Yeah. Okay, Buck. Hand me my flowers. Woo. Went from eating off the hard, now French turning all the knobs. My big burner get involved, the pussy's getting robbed. Sipping on privilege with my hitters from the village. Official ex-dealers, whoa, my pistol is the image. Fetish for the debits, your credit on edit. Haters can't come up, they never gon' get it. Only facts being spittin', Brody trapped in the system. My OG rode through Queens with a Mac in his engine. Blowing London pound cake with 100-round Drake. Making sure that everyone I come around safe. Loyalty mechanics about to order me some ratchets. My West Coast is active, throwing 40 P's on average. The network is sick, my flex worth a grip. This hustle on the first, get that double by the fifth. Laying pipe like that, with a great cat. Beat his case on the appeal, he about to give the state that. Really ain't bars, bro, it's more of a confession. From the mind to the line, then I'm torturing these sessions. Yeah, what's up? From the mind to the line, then I'm torturing these sessions. Telling you, Lord, you can't fuck with me. Can't fuck with me. No project, nigga. You can't fuck with me. No. You can't fuck with me. No. You can't fuck with me. You can't fuck with me. Man, I live for this shit. No. You can't fuck with beloved. You can't fuck with Flick. Yeah. I'm right back on some fly shit. Blowing down hybrids, it's pulling down my eyelids. I walk on the stage, they be screaming. 13 in a row, have you seen the scoreboard? tours all included, cause I'm raw with the music. My hooks was all hitting, whoa, I forced them to use it. Now I'm in position, took the power in the kitchen, sent the herb to the curb, got the thousands for the flipping. Backwoods investor, got the strap in the Tesla. Left for 30 days, came back with some pressure. Creeping through the projects while you eating moving objects. Disrespect my people, now you sleeping with the prophets. Hate black on black crime, but if you crack a black nine, I'm a dick behind the whip and send an answer back flying. If my lungs is disrespected, funds is disconnected, got a pocket full of races and 100 different devils. You Lord, you can't fuck with me. You can't fuck with me. I told y'all niggas, man, you can't fuck with me. A project can't fuck with me. No, 2020. You can't fuck with me. Hey, yo, French sister, take over. You can't fuck with me. We outlook everybody. You can't fuck with Beloved. We own. You can't fuck with Fleet. But pass us that bag. Yeah. Yeah. Beloved Buck, this one is a go. Lord, Lord. We smoke through the worst and toast through the best. It's a quote for a verse, cause they close to my chest. They all from the heart. We bore from the start. My fam was selling grams, now we all on the charts. Shrimp and fettuccine while you sit in front the TV. Blicky full of hollow points, my wrist is full of VVs. I spoke on the beat, move coke on the street. 40 cal, 4 pound, got them both on the seat. These streams make me reminisce, I used to get it 10 to flip. Now I'm on the road, getting lows for my penmanship. 220 on the dash, nigga Fendi on the mask. Hoes A for Skinny Pete, just to sit me on my ass. Raining like Sean Kemp, 80 hit you long left. Old school sipping on that Danny, give me more strength. Land with the fox collar, handful of hot dollars. Purple low cut Valentinos, this is not product. Loyalty to label, got a story for your cable. If you hot, get a spot. If you raw, they gon' pay you. Look, what? Let's go. If you hot, you get a spot. But if they raw, they'll pay you, motherfucker. Whoa. Yeah, I'm back on my Deen. Nah, yeah, I'm back on my Deen. Let's go. Yeah, I'm back on my Deen. Yeah, I'm back on my Deen. Okay. Let's go, whoa. Yeah. Lord. Another 100,000 in the forecast. Cook beef. We bring it to your lab like a DoorDash. Gotta give it up to Buck. Got a vivid uppercut. Bass all in this place. It's like he lifting up a truck. Me and music blend together like basil and tomatoes. You a sucker nigga hating, just catch you this halo. Happy that my package land and cleared through Laredo. My label independent, diamonds is looking so major. Queens, Lord, you can see the dope in my walk. Still cold hearted, you can see the smoke when I talk. Blowing on that apple fritter. Ain't nobody rapping with us. If this rap shit fall apart, then it's back to business. Hey, Mr. DJ, go play that shit before these wild motherfuckers go and spray that clip. Yeah, they wildin' in my zip code, down and let a clip go. Violent in the discos, we pounding like they clips go. Yeah. Okay.
Go grab yourself a cup, beloved.
Okay.
It's a toast to life, man.
Okay.
We celebrate.
Okay.
It's the 14th joint.
Tell a DJ, go turn it up a notch. Shit knock. Car alarms going off on the block. Used to hustle with the knuckleheads, now I'm getting other bread. Gangster, but I still remember words that my mother said. Talking on computers, got you walking with the losers. Need work. Come and see me in my office in the future. Speaking on that real shit, capturing plaques. You hear the bass through the walls from the track in the back. When the DJ zigga flee, I'm a different nigga. Project after project, homie, fuck your favorite nigga. Motherfucker feature 1200 for my sneakers. I'ma rain on the game, hear the thunder from the speakers. Blowing on Gary Payton, while your flow marinating. See me at my shows, bro, all the hoes salivating. Okay. Yeah. good, huh? Okay, Buck. Yeah. I said the black trade ain't like a private detective, except I'm rapping on these beats and I'm firing weapons. Lawyer fleeing Buck, recording heat and such. When this quarantine is over, I'ma order me a truck. Wallace on brolic, pockets on well too. If you keep the ball rolling, nigga, you could be fail-proof. Crab legs and roast up, mad bread and toast up. Post cut, never blink when I let the foe bust. Battle in your mind, got you travel through the time. If I owe you, I'ma off you, I ain't handling a dime. Fuck a pistol grip pump, knuckle shit, get jumped. Started with an eighth on a brick in 6 months. Riding with the lords, survival off the tours. We end up on car money, I'm a Bobby in a cord. And pass it to my shooter so he riding around neat. Make sure that he good, he ain't fucked up in these streets. Lord. Yeah. Let me just go in. This shit sound like sorrow, so I'ma paint. Lord, Lord. Yeah. You hear the strings, nigga? Huh? Buckwild, fuck around with some kings, nigga. Buck, what up? I'm from everywhere, ain't Queens, nigga. Light work, but it's heavier than it seems, nigga. That's a fact. Shh. I've been taking risks for this shit, writing drum after drum while I twist my wrist. Smoke a little dope while she fix my fish. Watching any shows and any flicks that I missed. My fam out in France, Lord, they digging the vibe. I'ma give them 12 shows when I get on that side. Until then, I'm writing with a steel pen, stacking on the table, breaking bread with my real friends. Tray 8 with the gray tape, nigga old school. All these whole moves gon' leave your soul bruised. I'ma be in South Beach eating tofu. You gon' be drunk and high when them hitters come and approach you. Ooh, these bars for the bosses with money on their mind, all the scars from the losses. We thought we was lit, getting cars from the auction. Now we leaving track marks on the ground from the Porsches. Yeah, let's get back to the strings. We don't take no precaution for them classics to swing. Flee the people's champ, but I'm back in the ring. Man, I'm back in the ring. Hey yo, I started off looking out, now the Lord pushing out. Yeah, I be selling dope, but I took a different route. No pirates on my stove, I'm just rhyming for my dough. Getting shine at my shows, big designer on my toes. Motherfucking case, nigga. Motherfucker. You see me shining, nigga? I want some of the motherfucking change jar, man. Shit, I had to tell my daughter no once, man. Now look at us. Yo, French, we up, my nigga. Let's keep at these motherfuckers, B. Smoke some of this dope real quick, let this shit breathe, huh? Yeah. This shit smooth right here. Yeah. Okay. Ay. Lord, Lord. FDR chopper roll, window crack proper low. Stars in the sky while I drive by the copper's low. Thinking about the days I was in and out them caves, and you was in your crib, pussy spinning out your waves. Now I'm on tour, we pilot on course. I'm happy with my life, fool, why you don't want yours? Nipping on fine foods, sipping on wine too. I was just broke, whoa, this is what the grind do. You gon' tell the folks, cuz this is what your kind do. I'ma stay focused and hope that we shine through. Swinging like Tarzan, about to get some farmland. Get this drawing going, I'ma leave it in the mob's hands. Sleeping in the bushes, you think a nigga pussy. Motherfuck police, Brody, keep a hitter with me. Catch you while you daydreaming, steaming on a cookie. Shooter tap your window, catch you while you looking, motherfucker. Huh? Yeah, my shooter tapping on your window. Yeah, huh? Yeah, caught him black and smoking Indo. Niggas stay smoking choppers. My shooter tapping on your window. Huh? Yo, My shooter tapping on your window with the tip of his grip. Had you hit for that bullshit that you did on the strip. We used to be road dogs, now we let the foe talk. Broke in the crib and left a nigga on his own floor. Smiling face from the past, but be snakes in the grass. Fuck they bread up, but still got a taste for the cash. Young Flea, I was buying the yay, my OGs. Playing keys like Isaac Hayes. Sipping on overproof, quick to let the toaster loose. Burner in his drawers, plus another in the sofa too. Now I'm getting bags off of facts in the vocal booth. Still I reach back and give stacks to my local crew. People losing power, I'ma put it back on. If you foul, you gon' get your fucking window tap on. Peace lover, heat tugger, I don't want no beef, brother. If it goes down, you gon' drown in your seat, fucker, yeah. My shooter tapping on your window. Caught him lacking, blowing indo. My shooter